Welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn words formation in English. So let's get started.
So first we learn about prefixes. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Let's look at some examples. Un.
When we add un in beginning of word, meaning will be changed to negative. Here we add un before happy.
The word will be unhappy, which is opposite of happy. Justified. Unjustified. Check. Uncheck. Married. Unmarried. Order. Pre-order. Plan. Pre-plan. Test. Pre-test. Number 2, we learn about suffixes. Suffixes are added to the end of a word to change its meaning or grammatical function. Let's explain with example. If we add ful at end of piece, it will be changed grammatical. Read. Readable. Cap. Capable. Wash. Washable. Hope. Hopeful. House. Houseful. Color. Colorful. Next we learn about compound words. Compounds are formed by combining two or more words. Example. If we add book and shelf, it's new word formed grammatically. Tooth. Brush. Toothbrush. Wind. Mill. Windmill. In the end, we learn about blending words. Blending words, also known as portmanteau words, are words created by combining parts of two or more words and blending their sounds and meanings. Let's explain with example. The word smog consists parts of two words smoke and fog. Similarly, brunch comes from two words breakfast and lunch. Infomercial consisting parts of information and commercial.